Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So I just want to speak very quickly today about the Google Ads app. If you ever look at your recommendations in Google Ads, I'm sure you've seen a recommendation for this about 5 million times. Multiply that by another million because we have so many accounts that we manage. It is very annoying to keep seeing that after dismissing it so many times. That said, we do use the Google Ads app universally, all of our PPC managers, including myself. And the main thing we use it for is for checking performance when we're on the go, and for pausing campaigns when there's an emergency situation, such as if a client's website goes down. And that's really all we use it for. The rest of the utility in there to us, we much prefer to do any kind of changes within the web interface or even an editor. It's just really hard to kind of work with that mobile app. But again, it is really handy to have if you do need to get in and pause campaigns on an emergency basis. It does also support the MCC, so that's really nice for us. We can have access to all of our accounts within the single app instance. So I do recommend for any advertiser, it's a great thing to just have on your phone, even if you never need it. It's just there, if you're not near a computer, that you can get access quickly. I would say too, like if you want to do any kind of analysis kind of on the go, that the GA4 app is actually better for that. You get a lot more utility in terms of the level of reporting. And of course, you can check every channel. The only downside of that, if your conversion tracking is only built into Google Ads, then obviously you're going to be missing that component. We do happen to use GA4 conversion tracking pretty universally, so it's a better tool for us to like check analytics on the go. Anyway, just a few words on that app. It is available for Android and iOS. So there you go. That's it for today. I hope that's helpful. I will see you next time.